When you think of solar power, you usually think of the traditional solar array, which consists of a set of black panels that face the sky and absorb the sun's energy before converting it to useful electricity. Tesla unveiled a solar roof in 2016. Rather than installing solar panels in your front yard or on your roof, Tesla decided to convert every single shingle into a solar panel. The Tesla solar roof is a solar roof that replaces an existing roof and gathers sunlight to help power your home in a clean and efficient manner. For solar energy enthusiasts, the ultimate dilemma is whether to go with a traditional solar panel system or the less intrusive but still unproven Tesla solar roof. In this video, I'll go through the main differences between the two solar solutions to help you with your buying questions. So, how do Tesla solar roof tiles work? Tesla solar roof tiles are small solar panels that look like shingles on a roof. The Tesla solar roof is a permanent attachment to your home's roof that replaces your existing roof. They work similarly to solar panels that use a photosystem to create solar energy. They capture the sun's light and use an inverter to transform it into useful electricity. Rather than using panels, your entire roof becomes a solar array. The Tesla solar roof replaces your normal shingles with tempered glass panels, offering the same protection as a traditional roof while simultaneously absorbing solar energy. The Tesla solar roof is innovative, but it's less proven and more difficult to transfer to another home if you move because it's custom built for each roof. But here's a quick rundown of solar panels. Solar panels are certainly recognizable to you by now, as they've grown in popularity and gotten more affordable in recent years. Depending on what works best for you, a solar panel array can be mounted on your roof or put up in your yard. While there are numerous brands and types of panels available, they all provide a clean energy alternative to fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas. The cost of these panels varies, and some are more difficult to install than others. However, you can expect lower energy bills, a lesser carbon impact, and an increase in home value in general. The solar panels may be installed on top of your current roof and are far less expensive than a solar roof, albeit they are still more expensive than other solar panels on the market. When it comes to solar systems, price is a tough thing to determine because so much depends on what your home and property can support. It goes without saying that estimating the cost of a Tesla solar roof is tough. The cost of installing a Tesla roof varies greatly depending on the style of your home. Based on the following criteria, Tesla defines complexity into 3 categories: simple, moderate, and difficult. The first is straightforward, with a single-level roof, open mounting planes, few obstructions, pipes, chimneys, skylights, and a low pitch. Multi-level roofs, roof portions erected on various stories of your home, a more congested mounting plan, more obstructions, pipes, chimneys, skylights, and a higher pitch are all examples of intermediate roofing. Finally, there's the complex. Multi-level roofing, roof portions erected on various stories of your home, a packed mounting plane, numerous obstructions, pipes, chimneys, skylights, and a steep pitch are all examples of multi-level roofing. Rather than releasing pricing directly, Tesla's website includes a solar roof calculator that estimates the cost of installing a solar roof on your home. The calculator is based on a variety of criteria, including your current power usage and the size of your home. With this calculator, you can begin to estimate the cost of a solar roof. When considering a Tesla solar roof, there are 2 main considerations. additional charges for the replacement of the roof. In an ideal scenario for roof replacement, the Tesla solar roof is designed to be installed on top of a single-layer 3-tab asphalt or composite shingle roof that is less than 20 years old. Any other roofing material or more complicated buildings will necessitate a complete roof replacement. A roof replacement will cost between $10,000 and $15,000 at the lowest end of the spectrum. Tesla warns that depending on the current structure of your home, additional fees and charges may be required during installation. Extra electrical work or the construction of a solar roof on a shed or deck are examples of this type of service. Prices are offered to you directly after an inspection, but it's worth noting that they're not included in the solar roof calculator estimate. To put it into perspective, there's the cost of solar panels, the structure required to support them, the installation fees, and you'd also have to factor in the system's real capacity. You can earn tax credits and other benefits for both the solar roof and solar panels if you install them. So it will assist in lowering the cost a little, but we'll talk about tax advantages for solar panels and solar roofs later. Solar panels cost between $15,000 and $21,000 on average, with most homeowners spending approximately $18,000 for a 6-kilowatt grid tie system put on the roof in a generally sunny area. Solar panel installation comes in a variety of sizes, prices, and placements, depending on where you live, how much sun you get, and your energy needs. Sunny areas can frequently get away with fewer panels, whereas those that don't get much sun may need more. For the average homeowner, this results in a wide variety of expenses. Solar roof prices, on the other hand, can range from $30,000 to $75,000, with some customers claiming installation expenses of up to $100,000. The solar roof, on the other hand, will provide greater value in terms of cost. It is less expensive per watt than traditional solar panels. It may not be enough to justify the astronomically high initial cost, which in certain situations can be nearly double that of regular solar panels. The Tesla solar roof is more effective than ordinary solar panels in terms of generating electricity. The Tesla solar roof's higher initial cost may be justified over time due to its power generation and storage capabilities, but you'll have to think extremely long-term to make the math work. You'd want to acquire a Tesla Powerwall for both the solar panels and the solar roof. The Tesla Powerwall gathers and stores energy that may later be used by your house or company. What distinguishes a Powerwall from other battery storage options now available on the market is its ability to accommodate greater loads, allowing you to power up more of what you require. A Tesla Powerwall can be used to boost solar self-consumption, save money with time-of-use load shifting, store and offer backup power, and assist you in achieving your off-grid goals by allowing you to choose how your stored energy is used directly from the app. The energy storage capacity of the Powerwall is up to 13.5 kilowatt hours. The length of time this will last you in the event of a complete blackout is determined by your energy assumptions and whether you elect to have everything powered up or only the necessities in the event of a blackout. A Powerwall now costs roughly $6,500 for the battery unit and $4,000 for installation and setup expenses for a total cost of $10,500. Each additional Powerwall unit will set you back around $6,500. The best thing is yet to come: tax breaks. In terms of incentives, you can earn a federal tax credit of up to 26% off the cost of solar panels or a solar roof installed until the end of 2022. After that, the tax benefit drops to 22%, which will last until the end of 2023. The solar component of solar panels or a solar roof, as well as the cost of the Powerwall, will be eligible for the federal tax credit. The amount of incentive is essentially a proportion of the qualified costs. There are state and municipal tax advantages in addition to the federal tax credit, which vary depending on where you live. On Tesla's website, you may see them. You'll also save $500 on a solar roof and $300 on solar panels if you use someone's referral code. With all of this information, the ultimate question is whether you should get a solar roof or solar panels. Let's look at two different circumstances. The first scenario is that you want solar but don't want to replace your roof or pay the extra expense of a solar roof. For the vast majority of homeowners in the United States today, this is the most likely situation. You've been thinking about adding solar panels for some time and have realized that the costs have gone down to the point where it's a feasible home improvement. You've also heard a lot of buzz about the Tesla solar roof recently, but you're not sure if the extra expense is justified. Above all, you won't have to replace your roof in the next 3 to 5 years. If you fall into this category, a solar roof isn't a good fit for you. There are clearly many exceptions to this rule, as well as several elements to consider, such as roof complexity and roof size. Even if the houses are roughly the same size in square feet, the cost of the solar roof will differ. The second scenario is if you want solar but also need to replace your roof or are building a new house. Although this is a less common circumstance, it may be appropriate for you if your current roof is nearing the end of its useful life. This scenario may also apply to you if you're building a new home from the ground up and haven't chosen your roofing material yet. Unlike the first case, you are in the market for both a new roof and solar panel installation in this scenario. So why not get two birds for the price of one? The Tesla solar roof may make more financial sense if this description fits you better. In this instance, you have the option of replacing your roof first and then installing regular solar panels, or combining both actions with the Tesla solar roof installation. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. Personally, I prefer how the Tesla solar roof looks. They are seamless and modern, and they blend in with historic roofs. Is it worth investing in a solar roof? If you're prepared to pay the high price, are in need of a new roof, and enjoy the idea and sleek design of Tesla solar shingles, the solar roof may be worth it. Otherwise, regular solar panels or Tesla solar panels may make more financial sense while enhancing the energy efficiency of your home. In general, Tesla solar solutions are more expensive than other renewable energy alternatives on the market. A solar roof, on the other hand, is a terrific long-term investment for your home if you have the funds and don't mind integrating your home into the Tesla system. I'm interested in your thoughts. If you could go with one of them, which one would you install? The Tesla solar roof or the Tesla solar panels? Comment them below. Want to learn more? Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for taking the time to watch our video.